Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. So we've got a Phlox paniculata flame pink here, which is growing very nicely. And then we have a Phlox paniculata amethyst, which is not so much. This is not growing very upright for us, it's been very sprawly. And those flowers are now coming to an end as well. So what we're going to do is the plant that dies right down, so we're going to cut it right down. Fingers crossed it will give us a second flowering this year. And what we're also going to do is put a bit of support for it in the hopes that next time round it will grow properly, it will grow nice and sturdy like the flame pink has, rather than sprawling about like it did. So it's all just been left with there. There's just this little bit of regrowth, but you can see there's already shoots there that will soon come back again. Got another Phlox here, Maculata alpha. It's gone with a mixed bag. Some of it's growing nice and upright, some of it's sprawled about and has finished flowering anyway. So we're going to take that all the way back to the base. Sometimes you think you should be trying to stake things, sometimes it's better off with the pruning to get something into a decent shape rather than trying to bend it around, because you can see that's all very deformed.